Hi, I'm Jill. I'm a Feng Shui consultant and a teacher, and I've been Feng Shuiing since 2006. This Fix It with Feng Shui YouTube series is so that I can answer your questions and help you get the energy flowing in your home. So if you have a Feng Shui question about a certain part of your home or a certain part of your life where you need the energy flowing, email me at jill@jillethier.com and ask your question, or find me on Instagram at jillethier and ask your question in the DMs there, and I'd be happy to answer it in this YouTube series. So today's question comes from Catherine, and she says, "Hi Jill, I am enjoying the last 3 videos on the Fix It with Feng Shui series. We want to go on a family vacation in September this year. Unfortunately, when we get the funds together, a large bill comes in, like vet or dental. My question is, how do I boost the energy in our home to save and also deal with the bills that come in?" This is a great question, and there's lots of Feng Shui things that we can do to boost the energy of abundance in your home. So in your space, there are 3 main money energy areas. The first is the front entrance, and that's how all energy comes into your home. The second is your oven, and the third is the back left corner of your home from the front door, which is the abundance area in Feng Shui. So when we lay the Bagua map on your floor plan, that back left corner is the abundance area from the front door. So what we want to do at the front entrance is we want to wash the front door with the intention of more abundance coming into our lives, and with also the intention of that trip happening in September. You want to wash the front door. You want to make sure that it's always decluttered inside and outside so that more energy can flow into your home. You want to add more light outside, so make sure that you have lights lighting the way up to your front door. You want to add the color red. That attracts more energy into your home. The whole point of the front entrance is, and it's called the mouth of Qi, is how all energy enters into your home. So we want to get as much energy entering into your home as possible. So washing the front door invites new energy in. Opening your front door every single day, adding the color red attracts more energy into your home. Lighting the way, I leave the lights on at night to attract more energy into our home and life as well. So add light energy. You want to add the energy of sound with a bell or a wind chime. So definitely incorporate these Feng Shui cures at the front entrance to invite more energy, and specifically with your intention in mind of this trip you want to take and having more abundance for your daily finances, right? Because anything we do in Feng Shui, we do with a clear intention in mind, and you have a clear intention in mind with this question. Then what we're gonna do is you wanna make sure that your oven is always really clean. So between now and this trip, make sure that it never gets dirty. And right away here, go and clean your oven with the intention of this trip happening and you having more abundance in your daily life so you can easily pay the bills. The oven is this money energy area, so it never wants to be dirty. You want it in good working order, so take care of your oven area between now and then. And then in the back left corner of your home, which is the abundance area, you want to make sure you have enough of the primary color of purple. Add a little bit more with your intention in mind. Add the wood element as well. That's the main element. And then if you know more about Feng Shui, add those secondary colors and building elements as well. But begin with those 2, and then place something symbolic in this area that represents the trip you want to take. Like put the itinerary in there, or a picture of where you're going on vacation with the intention of it happening. Even write the date on that picture, right? That energy then vibrates in that space. When it comes to daily bills and finances, the community area is actually the area in Feng Shui that directly aligns with those sorts of things. So the community area, when you're standing in your front door, is in the left third of your home in the middle, okay? And so this area is all about relationships with family, friends, coworkers, but it also directly aligns with your daily bills and abundance. So what I would encourage you to do is do clutter clearing in this area, and then you want to add the primary color of green and the main element of wood to this energy area as well, with the intention of boosting your daily finances so that these bills are even easier paid. And then if a bill comes in, go and boost the energy in that area. Do a quick decluttering, do a space clearing, add some more green, add some more wood, add the secondary and building elements as well to get the energy flowing in that area. The other thing you want to do, excuse me, when an unexpected bill comes in is clean your oven as well, right? And then do a space clearing in your home. You're always moving the energy around. And then the third thing that you can do, because it's not the third thing, there's a lot of things, but the third area you're gonna work on is the assistance area. So in your home, when you're standing in your front door, in the front third of your home on the right is your assistance area. And this is the equal and opposite area of the abundance area. So it supports and boosts it. It also supports every other area of your life. So in the assistance area, I want you to place something metal or something gray or silver or something symbolic to this trip or something spiritual in this area with your intention in mind of, like, visually you can see this trip having happened, like you're experiencing it. I want you to put this in this area. If you have a silver box in this area, if you know that Feng Shui tool, put your intention in mind of this trip happening in September, like it has happened. Put that in there, that everything will flow smoothly and it will happen for you. That is another way to signal the universe that you want this to happen. And then I would create like a money jar of vacation funds or a bank account, right? Same sort of idea, and continue putting some funds into that on a very regular basis, because that also signals to the universe that you're wanting this. So when anytime any extra abundance shows up, put that money in there to create, the energy flow towards that too. So even though you have your savings and then a big bill comes up, you have a specific savings account or jar or envelope that is specifically for this vacation. It just signals to the universe that I want to have funds for these other things, but I'm also focused on this as well. So you're going to work in these three areas, right? You're going to work in the three money energy areas, which are your front entrance, the back left corner of your home, the abundance area, and then you're going to clean your oven as well. Then you're going to work in the community area because that directly relates to daily bills and finances. And then you're going to work in the assistance area to support what you're doing in the abundance area and the community area. So I hope this helps. I look forward to hearing where you're going to go on vacation. And if you have a question for me about Feng Shui, email me at jill@jill@thea.com. I would love to answer it for you and help you get the energy flowing. If this interests you, head over to jill@thea.com, check out Feng Shui. There's a couple ebooks that will get you started with Feng Shui quickly and easily, or if you're interested in a home consultation, there's info there on that as well. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.